Virginia here. So I am working on this video for Sherry Mata. She wanted to know how to put a cross inside a diamond stitch. So I kind of came up with this little pattern. I'm calling it the diamond cross stitch for obvious reasons. Here's the diamond stitch, cross is inside it. And I just kind of made it up. So I haven't seen anything like this. There might be something out there, I don't know. At any rate, she wanted to know also how to transition from the diamond stitch to the Indian wrap. So that's in another video, and I decided to just go ahead and try to create something. I'm not sure this is exactly what Sherry wants, but that's what I came up with. So I think she also mentioned a Navajo, something about a Navajo stitch or something like that. Well, this is a Navajo. This is authentic Navajo wedding basket. And this was made for me, custom order, by Alicia Ray. And she is in Arizona, and she's Kooky Ray on Instagram. So she made this beautiful basket for me, just the size I wanted. But I don't know if she's looking for something like a cross within a diamond in a Navajo basket, and I can't do that. I don't know how to do that. Here's my other idea. I made this basket, and it's with wrapped rose, and this is the design I created. And these are Native American colors, but she could possibly wrap the rose and do a cross and then do a diamond around it if she wanted in this fashion. But I don't have the time to do a video like that. So I'm hoping this is what she's talking about. So I'm going to show you real quick how I did this. Here's several crosses that I put inside the diamond stitches. I know it's a little hard to see because they're black, but this is the only basket I had I could do it on. So here we go. We are starting from the back to the front. We are going to go over to the top of the next diamond. So in the back, you're going to end up with this chevron design. I'm just calling it a chevron design because on gemstones, if there's that type of a design, they call it chevron. And in the front, you're going to have the cross. So I couldn't figure out how to put the cross on both sides. So you can also do the reverse diamond cross stitch if you want. Put the chevron on the inside and put the cross on the outside. But that's not what we're doing today. So we are going from back to front, top of that diamond, coming through, trying to catch a few threads or going a little bit through the needles because you want something to hold it in place. Then we are coming down to the bottom of that diamond. Push through to the back. Force it where you want it. That looks okay to me. And again, I'm trying to pick up some pine needles or small bit of thread to hold it in place. So there's your first part of the cross. So we're in the back again. We're going to come up to the middle. I'm hoping this isn't blurry. I don't want to move my little arm up here. It's going to mess it up. I broke it, so if I touch it, it's going to fall. So we're coming to the middle, back to front. Pick up a little bit of thread. I'm not being real careful with this because I'm going to take these crosses out because I don't really want them in this basket. Then we're coming back to front again, and we're in the middle of that row, and we're going to cross over. Now, the reason that I didn't do it sideways first, I tried it, so I know it's not going to work. I figured it would fall down in here, and I'm sure it would. So this is the reason I'm going in this fashion. So then we go back over to the right side. We're going to pick up a little bit of thread, maybe a little bit of pine needles. we're going to come out right about there. That's fine. And so with every stitch, pick up either a little bit of thread or pine needles. So different colors might look really cool. You could do, you know, a red diamond and then a gold cross or silver cross. I might try that in another basket, but I will be taking this one out. So we're starting again. We're back where we were. Top of the, so these are the hand movements. Top of the diamond stitch, back to front, pick up some needles or some thread, whatever you got to hold it in there. Then we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to pick up some thread. We're going to come out the back. I want to come right in that point there. Maybe pick up a little thread, but it's actually going through the needles in this basket because I went through the needles. Okay, there's your first leg. Then we're going to come back through the middle. I'm not really being real careful about keeping it on certain sides of the thread. And then make sure to pick up some thread here. Cross over. Go back down through the middle. You're going to end up over here and start all over. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can show you a few more times how I'm doing this. So first of all, you're going to come up to the top in the next diamond. Make sure I'm on camera, that might help. Up to the top, make sure you pick up a stitch. Come through the top and the front. Then you will go down to the bottom of that diamond, pick up a few stitches. Oop. I want this to look a little better, so even though I'm going to pull it out. Let's get right up. I'm going to pull that stitch over. There we go, that's better. Picking up some stitches, and I'm also going through the needles. That's what it looks like in the front. Your straight line down. Then you will go over to the middle on the left side. Go through the center of the pine needles. Oops. It's a little too far over. Oh my gosh. I'm having fun today, aren't I? People keep calling and knocking me out of my video, so it gets a little irritating. So we are going over here to the middle, pick up a few stitches. There we go. There, that's a big needle, so it gets hung up on the thread. Then we're going to go straight across to the right, corner of that diamond stitch, cross over. There's another one. So I'm going kind of fast, so they're probably not as even as they could be, but that's what it looks like. So you could imagine if you had some other colors in there, what it would look. And of course, the orange and black look pretty good. Okay, this is the last time, I promise. So we're going up to the top, back to front, picking up a few needles or going through the pine needles. Then we are going to go down in the point at the bottom. We're going front to back, and we're going to try to come out right in the middle of that diamond, just to make it look nice and clean. And that is going through the pine needle, so I know it's going to be nice and secure. There's your straight stitch. Then you're going to come up here to the left, pick up a little bit of thread. I can feel the resistance, so I know it's grabbing some thread there. And possibly going through the pine needles. Back to front. So now we're going to cross over to the right. And we will go down in this right corner. Pick up a few needles. Pull it through. Okay. That's what it's looking like. Here's the back. You have this chevron stitch, sort of. And there's the crosses. So Sherry Mata, I hope that helps you out. I think I may have created a new pine needle basket stitch. Who knows? But I am going to call it the diamond cross stitch. And I might try it in another basket with other colors so you could really see the diamonds around the crosses. I hope that helps. I hope that's what you're looking for. If not, let me know and see if I can direct you to something that may help. So thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope you try it. See if you like to do this type of stitch or not. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.